Editing and formatting in a word processor. A word processor is a software that helps you to create, save, and print documents containing text, pictures, charts, tables, etc. The documents can be edited as per the user's choice. You can also format it, check and correct spellings and grammar, insert drawings, images, and also apply page borders to it. So as you do this editing and formattings, you will be able to make your document more presentable and more attractive. Now the components of MS Word 2010, as you can see, you will see in your book, all the components names are given here. So if we talk line by line, the first which we can see in the left corner, it is file tab. Now file tab, the location is upper left corner of the MS Word window, and this is the new Office 2010 and replacement of Microsoft Office logo. So as you can see, in 2010 you will find this logo, this file tab is present, and if you are doing in 2007 you will be getting the Microsoft Office logo. Next you can see the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar is located at the top left of the title bar of the MS Word window. It contains buttons of most commonly used commands. So whichever commands you use repeatedly, it is saved in the quick access toolbar. It is a customizable bar, so you can customize it according to your requirement. So by default you will find here the save button, undo and redo button. It is available in this quick access toolbar. Next is title bar. The title bar is displayed at the top of the MS Word window, and in this title bar you will get the name of the document, and you also have in this title bar the minimize, maximize, or you can say restore button and the close button. Next we will talk about the status bar. Now status bar is located at the bottom of MS Word window. It gives you information about the current document like number of pages and words. So you can just see in this status bar how many words you have typed, how many pages are there. So all these informations you get in the status bar. Next, document window. Now document window is created in the Windows document window. This area is where you can type text. So the white area or the page like area which you can see on the window is the document window. Next you get the view toolbar. Now view toolbar provides you the buttons to adjust the size of the document, as well as you have some views like web view or print view, so that you can see your document how it will be when you print it. Next is dialog box launcher. This is a small icon that appears in some groups. Next is the horizontal ruler, vertical ruler, and you have horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bar. You also have the ribbon which is at the top and below the title bar. So in this ribbon, whatever options are available, it helps you to edit your document. So in this is the very important part of the Microsoft Word window. So that's it for today, and hope that you understood this part, and the next part I will be explaining in the next class. Thank you so much, and study. Thank you.